All right, we're going to install the Thunderstore app. Click thunderstore.io, click Get App, Download App, Download, click to install. When it pops up, it might ask you for the game selection. Since you are installing the mod pack for Lethal Company, you'll search for Lethal Company, select game, or you can set as default, which is what I usually do. Let's select game. Gonna click Import Update, import new profile from code. Then you'll input the code that you are given. Click Import. If it's already in use, go ahead and rename it to whatever you prefer. So you'll click Create. You'll import, download any of the mods that were in that pack. You can select it, select Profile, and all the mods that you have downloaded will be right here. You can get more from the Get Mods tab. Search for whatever you prefer. And then to play the game, you'll click Modded. If you have Steam open, it will automatically open their game. If not, it will automatically open Steam and then start the game. So Lethal Company is launching via Steam. And then click Online. And now you're in Modded Lethal Company.